Okay, let's talk about widgets. Widgets, if you click home screen and tap the plus symbol, now you're gonna see all the widgets that come in your phone. They have some that pre already set up, and there's some that if you click widgets to see for the clock, you can drag it and put it anywhere you want in your home screen. And once you put it in there, you can go ahead and click done, and now you have it. Another feature is you can add more than one widget in the same. You can stack it together. Let's see if you go again, add, and find another widget. Let's see the stocks market. You can select which one they offer for you. If you have software for it, it will let you add it. And right there, put it on top of another one. You click done. Now you have two widgets in the same stock. Click again the home screen, you can actually delete them and get rid of it. That's one of the features that Android has it for a long time, but now iOS 14 has it. You can select different ones, different settings. You can select the settings on the widget too by click on it. What are the settings you can add? In this case, the city that you want to have in there. You can remove it. And it's gone. Click the home screen again, and now you have another feature too. If you tap the dots, now they can show you the screens that you have. You can select, they only show you the home screen, the main one, and then the next one disappear. And if you keep scrolling down, now you have the list, the iOS set up for you in alphabetical order or in the stacking. We cannot change those, they come already preset, but it's easy if you want to organize your phone. Home screen, tap it, and you can select again, and now you have it back. Click done, and you have your icons and your apps showing. We can select two the tiles, and now we have show you all the icons that we have, all the software, the apps that we have in our iPhone. We can actually move it and not delete them, but they're there. It's a good feature, an easy feature to use. Another feature too that I think is really good is the pictures. Now you can watch a video while you're working on your phone. If you click in Safari, click in the picture, now the pictures on the side, and you can go back to any other app that you're using, and the picture's still playing with the sound until it's finished or until you close it. Let's see, let's select Pinterest. Now you can be browsing Pinterest while you're watching the video. You can move it out of the way. You can actually scroll all the way down just to have just the audio, and they have the mark to show you there's a video playing. Once you're done with the picture, you can usually just close it or go back to it, close the page, and that's it. Really simple. The camera has a feature too, that now you see a green and a yellow dots in top in the right corner. That's indicated the camera is activated or the voice, the recorder's activation. Now you know if any, another app is using your camera or your audio, it will show the red dot right there. If there's, the green dot. Another feature that we have is to default. You can set a default when you click on a link. You can select which one do you want, either Chrome or Safari, or if you have Firefox. It's the same with the mail. Let's see, we go to the Outlook. Once you found the app, the Outlook app, you can select which default you want. So in this case, you wanted to open your regular iOS Mail app or the Outlook. Now you have the option, so when you click on any email link, it will open the one that you told it to open. Another feature is phone calls. Now when you receive a phone call, it will show the screen. You can actually go down, but that doesn't interrupt anymore what you're doing. Another one is a translator. It comes with the iOS 14, which is really accurate, and it works right in the screen. It doesn't need to be connected to online to any server, and it would translate to infinity languages. In this case, let's just select Italian, so you can actually speak to it or tag, and it goes super fast. Like you can have a conversation with somebody, and automatically, while that person is talking to you, it actually would translate it right away. I've been testing it out in English and Spanish, and it's working really fast and really accurate. And that feature comes with iOS 14. It comes already built in. It's not an option. It comes once you install the iOS 14, comes with it. Well, this is some of the features. That's it for right now. Please subscribe, like my video, leave a comment, and I will keep continuing to work in iOS 14 and show you more features. Thank you for watching.